Hey guys, it's Tima and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to do a different video for you. A lot of you have requested that we do like a cooking video. And so that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Dukes is behind the camera, so say hi Dukes.
What's up, DUMA family?
So he's going to be recording. So I'm going to be making a Sunday family breakfast for you. I'm going to be making our famous chocolate chip French toast. It's a simple recipe. Anybody can whip this up if you guys have a big family. Super simple, super easy. I'm not gonna waste any time. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So I've laid out the ingredients. It's just a few simple ingredients that you guys should already have in your kitchen. We've got eggs, buttermilk. I know the French toast recipe usually calls for regular milk, but I like to use buttermilk because it gives the French toast a different flavor. Cinnamon, vanilla extract, and a little bit of sugar. So I'm just gonna put all of these.
Call this a little bit of sugar?
Yeah, it's a little bit of sugar. You don't have to add it, it's optional, but I like my French toast nice and sweet.
That's a lot of sugar, but okay.
It'll be fine. And then of course, the most important, the Brioche chocolate chip loaf. Now we're cheating a little bit because the chocolate chips are already in the loaf, but if you don't have the Brioche chocolate chip loaf and you can't find it, you can just add mini chocolate chips to your recipe.
Go to Aldi, guys. They got it at Aldi's. Imported straight from France. Shout outs to Aldi one time.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and combine all these in this bowl and then whisk it, and I'll be right back. So I just cracked 6 eggs. Now I'm gonna add half a cup of buttermilk, half a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright guys, I whisked up my eggs, my milk, my sugar, and now I am dipping my bread inside the custardy mixture. So you want to make sure you get them nice and filled with that nice milky eggy custard, and just dip in there a few times, flip it over, and while you dip that, you turn your pan on medium heat, and then you melt a little slab of butter, and then make sure you coat the bottom of your pan and get that butter nice and melted before you stick that French toast on top of that pan. So while the pan heats up, I just wanted to let you know I didn't have enough milk, so I added a half a cup more buttermilk and just another teaspoon of cinnamon to kind of give it more of a cinnamony flavor. And when you whisk, you're gonna whisk for about 1 minute or so until all that egg and milk is combined to give yourself a nice milky custard type of texture. And also for your pan, you're gonna wanna wait a minute or two for it to get nice and hot. So when you take your bread over to your pan, you wanna make sure you get all the drippings off. It makes that nice sizzle noise. That's what you wanna hear when you lay your French toast. And then you're gonna wanna heat your French toast for 2 to 3 minutes on each side.
Tima, you forgot to turn the fan on. I don't want the firefighters coming here. That sizzle about to burn down the house. Shoot. Turn that fan on.
I got you, I got you.
Now you said that it has to sit for
about 2 minutes. Just press down just gently, not really too much, because the butter is gonna do the work for you. So you don't want to mess with it too much. You can always lift it up to see if it's browning, and that looks beautiful. So you know it's time to flip that thing. So we're gonna flip it. And it's nice and golden brown, you see that? You want those marks on that French toast. Beautiful. And so we'll be back when these are done. Alright guys, I got my last piece of French toast. Here you go, you got a beautiful stack of chocolate chip brioche for French toast. So what I like to do is I like to garnish it. You can garnish it with any fruit that you want. You know, it just adds a little bit more to the dish itself, so that way you're full. Then you want to sprinkle a little bit of syrup. It's optional, it's already sweet enough, so you don't need too much. And then of course, you gotta have that confectionate sugar to make it beautiful. Y'all, I am not a chef. This is just something that I throw together for the family on Sundays. Alright, here you go, DUMA family. My beautiful chocolate chip French toast recipe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our family, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm Tima. Take care.